everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a mani using colors from Cascade Colorworks, and we're going to be doing the dip liquids. I'm very excited to try Cascade Colorworks. So the first color here, it's a beautiful chunky fine glitter mix called Bellini. It is stunning. It has pinks, golds in there, and then there's multicolor shifty glitters in there. It's so pretty mixed with the fine and chunky, and it's giving me that sugar plum fairy mani vibe. And then we're going to pair it with Verbena, which is a stunning deep mauve, and it has more of a purple undertone versus gray, and it's stunning, and it looks perfectly paired together with Bellini, and it's going to be a super fun mani, and I thought it'd be perfect mani to add to our 25 days of holiday and Christmas manis. I know it's not your normal traditional Christmas colors, but it's definitely giving me those sugar plum fairy vibes. So I thought these colors were perfect for this mani. So right now we are going to start with the solid color first. Since this is a true solid, there is no shimmer in it. I do not want to contaminate any of this beautiful pigment with that Bellini glitter. So right now I'm going to go ahead and dip, clear encapsulate, and activate the two solid nails only, and then we'll move on to the glitter part of the mani. So right now I am really impressed with the first coat. It's very pigmented, not patchy at all, and the liquids are applying really nicely. The bottle also has a stopper in it, and there is really no strong odor to the liquids, which is a huge positive because I am sensitive to scent with my dip liquids, and I didn't have any issues when I dove into these dip liquids, which was really nice. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and we're going to continue this process on the solid nails, and then we'll jump into that beautiful glitter Bellini. Alright, now it's time to play with this amazing glitter. I saved it for last because it's so pretty. This glitter is something I've never seen before. It is so unique and so pretty, and the color shifts on this from like the gold and the pinks are simply beautiful, and the fine glitter and how it lays really flat on the nail is really awesome. So those chunkier glitters are super, super fine. I don't know if they're more of like a mylar material, but whatever kind of magical glitter is in here, it lays so, so flat. So for the first dip, I am doing the pour over method. And then when we go in with the second dip, I will go ahead and lay my finger directly into the cupcake liner. But I'm really impressed with this beautiful glitter. And moving back to the salad color, when I went in with my second dip, it was even more vibrant and pigmented. Now, salad colors, especially mauves, are pretty difficult colors to work with because either they look a little bit patchy or they're not like a true mauve, and I have some difficulties with that with the mauve powders. But this one, I didn't have any patchiness at all. It looks beautiful and stunning as it did in the jar. So I'm definitely excited about this salad color. All right, so now we are moving on to the second layer of the dip powder. Now when I'm going in with that base, I'm making sure I'm getting into all those nooks and crannies of those bigger glitters to ensure that we're going to get a nice flat coverage. So now we're going to go ahead and dip directly into that cupcake liner and check out all those beautiful glitters that we got. Isn't it pretty? It's like so hypnotizing. So I'm going to go ahead and gently press down all those beautiful glitters, and then you want to make sure that you're removing any of those big glitters away from the sidewalls and the cuticles, because that's going to save you a lot of time and effort when you are doing your filing and buffing, because those are going to get in the way. And then even if you clear encapsulate them, you're going to break into them because they're in that cuticle line area, and it's just going to be less of a hassle if you remove them before you go ahead and do all the activating and filing and buffing. All right, so we're going to finish this, and then we will move on to clear encapsulating. I do clear encapsulate the glitters a little bit differently, and you'll see that here in just a few moments. All right, now it's time to clear encapsulate these beautiful glitters. So right now what I'm doing is I'm using this little spoon and I'm pouring over the clear dip powder directly over that nail. That helps me prevent from getting any of those glitters into that clear and then contaminating it. No matter what, even if I was doing like a clear dip dedicated just to glitters only, it never was working out and I was wasting so much dip powder. This way I can go ahead and just spoon a little bit on the nail and then not worry about cross-contaminating my clear, and then it's a pure clear every time I go into it, which is really, really nice. Now I did dip directly in the jar with the salad color only, And I will do that with my solids when it's like a lighter color, but if I'm using like a bright red, bright pink, or black, or any like darker colors, I will do the same method for the encapsulating as I'm doing with the glitters here. Okay, so we are just going to finish up with the clear, activate, file, and buff, and then I will pop back in at the end with my final thoughts. Right, we're just finishing up this mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I am super impressed with the powders, how pigmented they are, and how flat those glitters laid. They are amazing, and it's definitely giving me that sugar plum fairy vibe that I was going for a holiday mani. These colors are really pretty. Now, if these colors aren't your cup of tea, Cascade Colorworks has tons of other colors. Stay tuned. Next week we'll be doing some more colors from Cascade Colorworks, so I'm really excited. And I'm really obsessed with these liquids. They applied amazingly, and the shine from that top coat is simply beautiful. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's video in the description box below. Definitely consider subscribing. Stay tuned for more 25 days of holiday Christmas manis coming up on my channel, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.